Hi, my name is Fazal Rahman and we will discuss what is the having clause in the SQL and how can we use it in the Google BigQuery. So this is the column. Basically, having is used to filter when you make a group. We already know that we use the where clause to filter out. But when you apply the group by statement and make the group, then you want to filter the group, then you cannot use the where clause. Then you have to use the having clause. Why? Because when you apply the group by statement, where would run first, then the group by statement would run after that. So you want to apply the filter after the group, then the where would not able to recognize it. So therefore, when you want to apply the filter on the group, then you have to select the having clause. So for example, how can we use it in the Google BigQuery? So we have to come on the SQL query. So for example, my condition is that I want to know that how much total revenue is generated from each country, and when I made the group, so by applying the group by statement. So how can I use it? So you have to use the select and select the country. So put the comma after you have to sum. So because we want to revenue, so revenue as a total revenue. So now we have to tell them where our table is present. So you already know that what is our data set name. So our data set name is marketing series, and what is our table name? So our table name is July marketing data. So we have to apply. So you have to write the first data set name marketing series. Then you have to put the full stop and write the table name July marketing data. Now we have to use the group by, sorry, group by, because we want to know that from each country how much revenue is generated. Therefore we are grouping the country. So now group by country. Okay, now we are applying the filter that the you have to eliminate that group which contain below the 2000 $2000 revenue. So how now, because we are applying the filter on the group, after making the group, then we are going to use the having clause. Having, so having will be applied on the total revenue. So we this should eliminate. So this filter would eliminate if each country would have the total revenue below the 2000, so then they will not show us. So we will run the query. So now you can see that Canada and the United States have the total revenue which are above the 2000. So maybe the other countries would have the total revenue below the 2000 because we apply the filter on the group, therefore they are eliminated. So you can understand that if you want to filter apply on the groups, then you have to use the having. If you want to apply the filter on the rows, then you can use the where clause. So this is from me. Thank you so much.